Hello guys, good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to another weekly update, episode 38. This is actually towards the end of the year, or let me say new year. It's towards the end of the year actually. So happy new year to you guys. Tomorrow is new year. If I upload this video on Friday, so tomorrow is new year probably. So how are you guys doing? How's the year been? Thank you guys for being here. I really appreciate you guys for watching all our video, for everything you guys have done for us so far this year. We've started this weekly update, and at least we are now in episode 38, which is almost close to a year. Actually, it's more than 6 months now that we have been doing this, close to a year. By the way, I will be showing you what we have been up to in the shop, and I will turn the camera right now so that you can see. As you can see on the decks here, there are some bags, the previous one, and inside we have some new one we just did. So let me turn the camera and show you guys in a short period. You can see the last time we vlog, I say we make some of these bags, so some of them are still here. We make some to send out, and we carry some to some activities, we do some trade fair. So as you can see, the shop is still intact the way it's supposed to be. So this is another traveling bag. I'm taking a delivery to a client right now, and the last time we vlog, I take delivery for some clients and I show you, and those clients, they are very thankful of the delivery and the bag. They thank me so much that they love what they see so much. So, and how can we do? We keep working, we keep making things. So by the way, these are what we are up to. As you can see, I said before I will be very busy. So this is what I've been doing so far for some clients. And by the way, this is the measurement on the board. Actually, I made a tutorial video on most of these bags, so be expecting it. Probably you might have seen some of them by now. So that's it here. And this is another one I need to finish and make, but I'm not done with it yet. So but right now I'm going to the market to get some accessories I will be needing to make some bags. And I don't know, whichever way the video comes, I'm going to give you. So but if I didn't get more things to give you on this particular video, once I come back, we are going to talk more about the end of the year. So let me still say it again, happy new year to you guys. I wish you long life, process, success in 2022. Everything good will always come your way and my way. Thank you guys for being here. I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you at the other side. Guys, the activities we have been doing in the shop, this is another day now in the making. So the bag I showed you yesterday, inside I brought them outside, so there are still some I need to finish. I'm still working on those bags. So I just decided I should show you this particular one as the traveling bag. By the way, this one is for someone. The person is in far place, so I will be sending it very soon, and the same thing applicable to that. So that's it. So by the way, I've started work already, doing some work. These are 3 bags I will still be making on the channel. So some I will be dedicating a video to it on the handle. So here at the side, here at the bottom, and here at the cover. This is another one I'm just making right now. I was supposed to make this with the rest of those one I show you outside when I was making them, but due to time, I don't have much time, so I will be finishing this. I'm also making a video on this particular handle, so I don't know, the video may come outside before this weekly update come outside, because this weekly update is a joint weekly update with previous one and the new one. So that's it for you guys, and everything is still intact the way it is. And by the way, for that particular bag, for those one I show you there, those one I'm making, here are the basic measurements. So I've dedicated a video to that. You can watch that, and you can also screenshot this or pause this to see all the basic measurements. So I'll still update you on the activities we will be doing in the shop and as everything is going. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. Give this particular video a giant thumbs up. Leave in the comment section below if you do enjoy all these weekly updates we do, or if you find something helpful and learn from it, let us know. You can share this video with people you know it might be of help to them. Even if you are not the one enjoying or gaining from the video, you can share it with anybody. And this is part of the week, by the way. Happy new year to you guys. Happy new year to me as well. Okay, happy new year to you all. So in few days now I will be ending the vlog, and the rest of the activities will be seeing it. I was supposed to be on holiday, by the way. I was supposed to be on holiday, but you know, due to circumstances, I travel and I came back, still do some work, so I just have to make this. But I think generally I should be off for January, but I will try my best as possible to keep posting on this channel so that you guys will not run away. I know when you leave your channel, people will run away. It has happened to me in the past on this particular channel. So guys, thank you for watching, and let me finish the work I'm doing. See you at the other side. Guys, finally I finished making a bag I was making. As you can see, everywhere is just littered. I just finished it, but this one I've not started yet. I will try my best to start that. But this is the particular bag I make. You see how beautiful it is, a gather hand mini Ankara bag. How beautiful. So here are some we just have here, so you can pick anyone out of it if you want. We can send it anywhere to you via GIG logistic, or so as I was saying, you can pick anyone you want out of this bag. We'll still let you know the ones that are available. I will share my WhatsApp business page with you, so you can go check those out and see the one that is available. So enough showing you this bag. Let me stop the video here, and anything we still do for the week again, you'll see it. So guys, welcome to another day on the making. So probably I will be okay, I will soon end the video, but this is what we have been up to so far. The remaining 3 bags I was talking about, or I don't know if I said that. So I actually am making 2 of it now, and the last one I'll be making it as well, but I don't know if I will be showing it in this video. So the ones I cut down the pattern, I'm using it for this ashoke fabrics. You see these 2 colors, so I will be making that, and these are the linings. So that is what I've been up to. So for like a day now. I didn't work yesterday because I was a little bit not feeling well. So I will try my best now to continue the work and finish it. So once I finish it, I'll show you the outcome of the bag, and this is where we are going to end this week update, because it will be in the weekend already, and I need to finish this up and show you guys everything. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you at the end. So guys, welcome to the end of this particular weekly update. As you can see, in the last time I show you I vlog, I said I have 3 bags to make. As you can see that the last one I show you, the 2 I've started making already. It's left for me to put the lining and assemble them then. So the last one I also make it as well. So probably I should be making a video on how to make this particular hand. It will be coming after this weekly update, so stay tuned to watch that. As you can see, do you love the bag, how beautiful they are? I make one of these, but actually it's no longer here, so I decide to make another one that is exactly with the same hand. I was supposed to make this kind of hand because I have that handle there, but there's no time for me to make the video and dedicate a video on how to make that particular hand, so I decide to leave it and make this previous hand I've made before. So I will try my best now to make a new video and dedicate that to it. So I hope you guys have loved this week update and enjoying the content I show you on this week update. By the way, please don't mind me if the content is not up to standard the way you want it to be. I know things are going to be better by time. So we are in a new year now. We will try as much as possible to reschedule all our tutorial and uploading dates, so that you guys can get more interesting tutorial on this channel. So by the way, these are the measurements for the particular hand, no, for the particular bag I mean, and the handle as well. You see the way the handle is 15.5 for this particular one, because it's the same, almost the same thing as the gather hand, which is this particular one I make a few days back. I don't know if it's included on this weekly update or the previous one, but I also dedicate a video to that. So it's also the same measurement, but you can use this time to you can pause this video to see the measurement here and see how everything is being made. So by the way, that is everything for you. So the shop is still the way it used to be. Everything is intact. We have sell most of our bag, and some are still here available, but some customer has place an order, but we've not sent it yet because they've not asked us to send it. So it's still staying around for them for the time they will be needing it, for people they want to gift it to, or for the occasion they want to use it to. So thank you guys for watching, and I think this is where I'll be ending this particular week update. I will like you guys to leave a comment in the comment section down below on what you think on how we can improve the weekly update as well. Let me know. If you do enjoy this video, please give it a giant thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. You can share this video with people you know it might be of help to them, and we shall see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.